Hey guys, Morgan Garrett here with the Citadel, and today we're focusing on the most basic opening for a Balisong or butterfly knife called a rollout. All you'll need for today's lesson is a trainer, so grab your trainer and let's get started. Very quickly, let's go over what a butterfly knife is. A butterfly knife is a folding knife that has two counter-rotating handles that rotate around pivots that conceal the blade within the handle. We have the safe handle, which has the back of the blade, and the bite handle, which has the edge of the blade, and I've marked the bite handle with some black tape. Our first position is going to be known as the mechanic's grip. This is where we're holding the safe handle up and the bite handle pointing down. Once we've established the mechanic's grip, we're now going to open the hand and release the bite handle, allowing it to swing free. Now from the point once we've released the handle, we're going to flip the bite handle out and away, and then roll it over. And flip the handle back, and we're in the open position. To close the knife, we're going to reverse that, dropping the bite handle, flipping the knife out and away, and flipping the knife closed. Dropping the handle, out and away, flip knife closed. Drop handle, out and away, flip knife closed. This has been Morgan Garrett with the Citadel, and we hope you've enjoyed today's instructional on the basic opening of a Balisong knife known as the rollout. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.